Rachel, and today I am back with another video. This time I have got a very exciting parcel from the postman. I don't know what he did to it. He is, I think it's got a bit wet. We have had some super rainy days lately. It's been crazy. So I'm hoping that what's inside of it isn't damaged. It should be okay because it's all in the box still. But this is my Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar and I am super excited to get in here. Somebody else here is super excited who won't leave me alone to film the video. She's desperate to know what's in here. She knows the drill. She's promised she's going to be good. Right. Get in here and open this up then. We've just undone the tape on those two sides and we'll undo the tape on the back. I really am hoping that none of this is damaged. Oh, look how beautifully packaged this is. That is absolutely stunning. And look at this. Hi friend, welcome to 12 Days of Bowmas 2023. I loved creating this collection of gifts and I'm so excited to share them with you. I hope you get just as much joy from opening them and using them in your planner. Wishing you a magical festive season and a fantastic 2024. Lots of love, Joanne. Isn't this gorgeous?
Yeah, it actually is as well.
I am going to try and get that off and stick it in the back of my salary because...
Also, I hope you had a good 10 days of Christmas.
10? 12?
12.
12 days. 12 days of Bowmas.
I didn't hear what you said.
Right. So, we're going to need to get in here. Let's just see if I can pull this up. It does put... I just saw what it is. I've not watched any unboxings. I've not watched any YouTube for months since my disappearing. I'm just seeing what this is.
I'm actually wondering what's inside of it.
Oh, I'm so excited.
If anything inside of it, then that's a surprise as well. That's
So
what
we're
I'm
going to undo this beautiful rainbow ribbon.
Can I keep that ribbon?
No, I'd like to keep it.
I like the ribbon. It's actually really lovely.
Put that to the side, and then we've got some tissue paper. Yes, I've avoided any unboxings, although I've not been on YouTube anyway. But look what we've got. It's in like a little carry case.
Perfect.
It is perfect.
You can see it as well.
And the colour is just stunning.
I'm going to open one. Open one.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Wait, do you think the first one's a sweet in there?
There's no sweets in here, baby, no.
Yeah, that was a good one.
What advent calendar do you have, Paige?
Chocolate, because I love chocolate.
But what is it?
The 24th day is a massive chocolate.
What kind of chocolate?
Maltesers.
Maltesers. But I've got a Lindor Lindt chocolate one and she keeps wanting to steal those ones. Anyway, let's get in. So,
She found one that she doesn't like.
I let you have the one that I didn't like, didn't I? It's coconut one, yucky. Right, so we're going to get in here. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy with it. Like, how pretty is that? And we are going to take them all out and we are going to get on with the days. So, let's pop this to the side. Let's do it.
You open day one.
So day one we have got, I think there was a choice for this and I'm pretty sure that I would have chosen standard vertical. Okay, so, oh, I love them already. So the first day we have got
I really want to take it.
some banner months. These are gorgeous. Obviously they are in Joanne's signature holographic foil. Absolutely beautiful. And then we've also got, oh, I love these. She always does one of these. This planner belongs to a word of the year and a goals for 2024.
And also, it's the same sticker as what that is.
Yeah, she's matched the stickers for the numbers, hasn't she?
Well.
She's very good, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. Wait, you open day 2. Here's
Let's
day 2
put that in
on
there.
the
Then
camera.
we're going to go with day number 2.
Here's day 2 on the camera.
Imagine. So let's go with this one then. And in here, oh my gosh, already we've got a kit. And this is, it says the Advent 2023 Standard Vertical. And this is what we have got here. So it's going to be the same format as all the standard vertical kits, I imagine, which is just perfect because I love them. This box is beautiful. So is this one. And this one.
My favourite one is that one.
Yeah, pretty, isn't it? So we've got our 8 full boxes. We've got some functional boxes. Every single one has got some gorgeous foil on it.
Which one's your favourite?
Oh, I like these ones.
I like these ones as well.
Yeah. And then we've got our date covers. We've got some functionals. We've got a build-do and we've got some page flags at the side there. And then we've got some gorgeous headers and some bottom washi too. So there we have a kit. You like
the back one?
You
the
like
very back one.
You like that one?
Yes.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
It is.
So we've got a kit there.
Here's number 3.
Number 3.
Very easy. I'm wondering what's in there.
We'll find out in a
Wait,
minute.
can I open this one because it probably doesn't have.
Oh, look at these.
Wait, can I keep
Transparent
them?
stickers. No. But they're coloured. Oh, this is a game changer. We have got some spring icons. Oh, I can see where this is going. We have got some summer icons. We have got some autumn icons. That ghost is so cute.
Look at the little pumpkin.
I know, yeah. And we have got some winter icons as well.
Hey, your favourite thing is moon. It's a moon.
I've never seen a shop do these on transparent paper before in colour. They're always black and white, aren't they? Why has nobody done this before?
I haven't one of them right now, actually.
Oh, I love these. I absolutely love them.
Can I open day 4?
On to day 4 then. If you do it on camera, do it carefully because I don't know what it is.
Here we are. Going to...
I can't even think what this might be.
No, I don't.
I know that I do PR for Josephine Bow Designs, by the way, but I genuinely have no idea what's in any of this.
I'm very confused trying to open this.
Oh, I just realised what it might be.
Can I keep some mould on it now?
Yeah, it is. I thought so. Oh, what a cool way to package that. So we've got some acetate and some vellum here, it looks like. What a cool way to package that.
I love that.
Isn't that pretty? So we've got...
Wait, there's more.
I know there is. Let's just do them one by one. So here we have the acetate. Absolutely beautiful. No.
That one. Why?
And then we have got some more acetate that's got some flowers on
don't
it.
really like
Is there
that
2
one.
pieces? You don't like that one?
No,
I do. I think that's very pretty.
I
I'll
want
hold
to
it
keep the
up.
rainbow one or the star one.
It's really pretty, that one. And
So
then,
what's on your hand? Lipstick.
yeah.
Oh.
And then the last one, we have got this gorgeous gingham, and it goes from an ombre to purple to green. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. I am a big fan of gingham. I love gingham.
Day 5. What's
We're going to move on to day
purple?
5. Day 5, what do we have in here? We have
I'm
got...
actually wondering.
Oh,
I'm not looking this time.
we've got some overlays. So we've got some... You what?
I'm jealous.
You're jealous? We've got some swirl dividers. Beautiful. We have got some foiled underlays. These squares. Ooh. Oh, these are pretty. And we've got some more here as well. Look, if we look, I don't think it's going to pick up on camera, but this one has got like a hot pink
Oh yeah, it does.
underneath the
I can actually see
holographic.
it.
And then this one has got like a teal underneath.
That doesn't look like teal to me. It looks like baby blue.
Yeah, kind of a bluey teal, isn't it? It's very, very pretty. I love those. Oh, you're picking it up a little bit there. They're gorgeous. What a good
Day 6 or day
idea.
9?
Let's go for day 6 then.
I think that's day 6.
No, that's day 6, yeah.
Yeah, guess it.
Yeah, that's day
I'm
6.
myself.
Well, they were all in order, so we should be
So
okay.
it's because you were just kept twisting it around.
So in here we have got, there's quite a few sheets in here, you know.
How many?
So we've got the bow half circles. We've
Ooh.
got the bow quarter boxes.
Take these for myself, actually.
We've got the bow swatches. These are gorgeous. And we've got
Oh,
the
they look
bow
beautiful.
half boxes.
Stunning.
They are. Happy with those. There's
Oh,
nothing in this that I don't like yet. I like
Can I-
everything.
So,
Day number 7. My assistant's going to open this.
under this, I'm not looking in there.
She won't. If she likes them, she won't look because she knows I'm not going to give them to her. So we've got some washi. We have got a set of washi that all goes together. It all fits in with the theme that's in this advent box.
So,
Isn't that gorgeous? I love this floral. It's my favourite.
that was my favourite.
So we've got the floral, and then we've got this one that's got like foiled sort of squirrelies on them, and then this one is got some foiling, and then it reminds me of like the top of a shop, you know, like a shop's like awning.
Where are you looking?
Very pretty.
Where are you looking? Oh yeah, it does as well.
Very, very pretty. So I'll pop those to the side. And my assistant will
eight.
pass me number
Day
8. And then, oh my gosh, we've got lots in here as well. Oh, I love them, I love them, I love them. So we've got a 2024 deco sticker. That is absolutely stunning. Love it. Then we've got tabs. We've got tabs. Oh, of course we've got tabs.
How are they tabs? But they don't look like tabs.
Well, you fold them over.
Oh.
And then we have got, oh, we've got a little mini kit. We've got some date covers, some checklists, a little tracker, and some functionals there as well.
Oh, that's day 9.
Moving on then to day 9.
Some of these are getting really exciting where I want to just take something.
Oh, look at these. We've got some pinched bow dividers.
Look at this packaging. I took the packaging.
Oh, they're really pretty. I love those.
I'm turning around.
And then we've got some cafe window dividers. Oh, I was right. It is the awning from the shop. You see?
I like them too much.
Look at all the foiling on that. There's so much foil. It's
It
beautiful.
looks like rainbow inside.
Okay, number 10 then. Moving on to number 10 then, and we have got, wowzers, we've got an amazing kit. Look at the colours on that. That is so galaxy. I love it so much. So we've got our 8 full boxes. There is a crazy amount of foiling on these. Then we've got our functional boxes. I love these ones at the top.
I'm going to take these ones.
Oh, I love the date covers. And then we've got our bottom washi and our headers too. So that is absolutely gorgeous. My assistant is trying to steal the full boxes, but she's not having them. Oh, that is so pretty. Then we've got number 11. And we have got, oh my gosh, we've got some date dots. We've got some pink date dots and they are in the stars. And then we've got some of the teal date dots and they are in the stars. And then we've also got another mini kit, and this matches the standard vertical kit that I just showed you. This is absolutely gorgeous.
What is it?
There's so much foiling on here.
Oh yeah, it does. 2 differences.
And then last but by no means least, we have got day number 12. Let's see what's in here. We have got, oh, we've got some foil overlays. How pretty are these? These are just stunning. We've got 8 full boxes there. And then we've got some headers. We've got some washi. We've got all the overlays that we are going to need to make a kit absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that so much. So that is everything that was in the Josephine Bow Designs 12 Days of Bowmas, and I just think it was all absolutely stunning. What good value for money as well. And this, doesn't Joanne always find the nicest things to put things in? You always get like some kind of little extra. Like that wasn't a number, you know, that wasn't a number, that is just an extra. And the colour of it, that's my favourite colour, like a corally pink. I love it so much. So yeah, that's everything that we got in the 12 Days of Bowmas from Josephine Bow Designs. Now obviously this is not still available in the shop. These sold out pretty much straight away, as they always do every year. But as I always say, everything that's in here is very on brand, and it's all a good way for you to see the type of thing that Josephine Bow Designs does. If you are interested in that, go and check out the website. And don't forget that my code RachelPlans15 will get you 15% off your order plus my freebie too. And with that being said, that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!